task on the topic passing intersections. What is the correct order of passage for vehicles at the intersection in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Blue car, red car, yellow car. 2. Red car, yellow car, blue car. 3. Yellow car, red car, blue car. 4. They will drive off as agreed. Task analysis. 3 cars have approached the intersection. The yellow car is going straight, while the red and blue cars are turning left. The intersection is not equipped with traffic lights or priority signs, and all roads have the same surface. Thus, we have an intersection of equal roads, which should be passed in accordance with the traffic rules. At an intersection of equal roads, the driver of a non-rail vehicle is obliged to give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except for intersections where roundabout traffic is organized. The driver of the red car has no obstruction on the right, so he will pass first. After that, the obstruction on the right will disappear for the driver of the yellow car, and he will move second. The driver of the blue car will be the last to leave the intersection. Correct answer number 2.